Sup YouTube, it is your boy Southside Customs back at it with another video. And in this series, I'll be making a Balenciaga inspired racer suit like the ones you see on screen, but with my own twist and tweaks. FYI, mind the speech voice, trying something new anyway, stay tuned. For this project, I will be using a two-piece wax denim jacket and pants together with assorted fabrics to the product. This is how the denims look on body prior to the alterations. This is the designs that I will be following throughout. Note that the final look might be subject to change. Check the description below for the designs up for download if you like. I will start by outlining the shape with this piece of white fire starter that I found in my garage because I was too broke to buy actual chalk. Afterwards, this shape will be cut out and manually stitched onto the denim pants. These are the fabric cutouts that I made that will serve as more of a stylistic approach to ventilation escapes on the pants to fight sweat. Men can only dream. Just a reminder that this project and is entirely hand-stitched, so you may notice inconsistencies through this video, so bear with me.
Smocking is a hand or machine embroidery technique that creates decorative, textured patterns by gathering fabric into pleats and then stitching over them with decorative threads to create a structured, stretchy effect. It transforms a flat piece of fabric into a highly textured, sculptural design. Originally used for practical reasons to fit garments before elastic was available, but now primarily for decorative purposes in clothing. I am sawing along straight lines and forming ridges along those lines with my hands while applying pressure on the ends.
This process is tedious, but worth the product for sure. This is the finished effect you get after you sew long enough. Notice the depth you get after. Flexible yet versatile, this part is attached to the back of the pants area for that biker aesthetic. Stay tuned for part 2. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the bell notifications to get updates on video uploads.